Guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how can you record your Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to record a Zoom meeting, you firstly have to open your Zoom application and join the meeting that you want to record. And after joining the meeting, it will show so many options into your screen. Now into here, you just simply have to click into this more button, and after clicking more, you will get this record option into here. You just simply have to tap into this record button in order to record your meeting. You can also type Alt plus R into your keyboard. Just simply click into record option, and then you can choose to join audio or continue without audio. Just simply choose the suitable option for you and proceed. And after doing this, your meeting will be recorded and be saved into your files after the meeting ends. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.